Good morning, children, and welcome back to your English class. In our previous class, we are on the that last chapter of an English fairy, The Youngest Prince, and three scenes we have already discussed. The first scene was in the court of the king, where the king told to his three sons to go and do their responsibility over the kingdom after completing their educations. So the three of them are ready to do that. In the second scene was in the teacher's cottage, where the youngest prince, whose name was Gamani, he goes to his teacher and wants the suggestions that which provisions is better to select. So the teacher told him, go and tell your father that if he sends you out there, so who will serve the remaining capital city. So Gamani goes to his father and he said that who will serve the entire capital city. Then his father gave the responsibility to collect fees and taxes and distribute the benefits to the people. Then in the third scene, it was the scene of the market, where three citizens are gossiping together and they were praising the kindness of Gamani. So here today we will read scene number 4, that is in the palace of Vikram, Prince Vikram's palace. Okay, scene number 4, where the narrator said that many years have passed. Now many years have passed. Prince Gamani has become the new king. When the older brothers hear that Gamani has been crowned as a new king, they felt insult. Filled with envy and rage, they prepare for war against Gamani. Yet, there was an important matter to be discussed first. Thus, they hold a meeting. The two older brothers, that Vikram and Virat, they told to each other after many years passed, they said that Prince Gamani has become the new king, and they felt very insult, and they both are filled with envy, the feeling of jealous, and rage, revenge, means the thinking of taking revenge from enemy. So they won't prepare war against the Gamani. But here is an important matter that has to be discussed first. Vikram said, let it be clear, Virat, that I will be the king as I am eldest. Vikram said that, Virat, let it be clear, as you know that I am eldest than you, so I will be the king. Virat said, but dear brother, I rule over a bigger province and my army is twice as large as yours, so I shall be the king. Virat said, but brother, you know that I rule over a bigger province than you, and my army is twice. Means my army is more than your army, as large as more than yours, so I shall be the king. Vikram got angry. He said, then so I will fight you first. Virat, he just smiled. Ha ha, surely not with your small army. Let us see how can you win. So the Virat, he just smiled and he said, surely with your small army, let's see how can you win. So Vikram said, be prepared. We meet at the battlefield at dawn tomorrow. Dawn means early morning before sunset. So that was the scene number 4 of the Vikram's palace, where both the brothers wanted to be the king and they are comparing their strength with each other. Now, scene number 5th. Again, the cottage of Gamani's teacher. When Gamani heard about that, so he got disturbed and he felt very sad. So the narrator narrate the scene. Gamani hears of the argument between his brothers. With a heavy heart, he goes to his teacher once again. Means when he hears the argument of his two brothers, Vikram and Virat, with a heavy heart, he goes to his teacher once more. Teacher, what is the matter, my son? You look so sad. Tell me what's wrong. The teacher said that, what is the matter? You're looking so sad. Tell me what's wrong. Gamani said, my brothers have not only turned against me, but against each other as well. Their armies go to war tomorrow. This will weaken the unity of the kingdom. Gamani said that, teacher, my brothers have not only turned against me, they are not only turned against me, but they were against each other as well. And their armies are going to war tomorrow early morning. And this will weaken the unity of the kingdom. This is very bad for the unity of a kingdom, strength. The teacher falls into a thoughtful silence. For just a moment, the teacher falls silent. Then teacher said, send a message to your brothers saying that you are dividing your kingdom into two and giving each brother one part. The teacher said, you do one thing, Gamani. Send a message to your brothers and tell them that you are dividing your kingdom into two parts by giving them. Means you just go and tell them that you are dividing your kingdom into two parts and you're giving both the parts to your each brother. Gamani follows his teacher advice. Now scene number 6th. Scene number 6 is the king Gamani's palace. You can see that in picture. A throne is there, and who was sitting, that he was the king Gamani, and two brothers are standing. They are Vikram and Virat. So narrator denote the scene. When the brothers read Gamani's message, they are humbled. They realize that their youngest brother is a noble and pious man. They go to the capital to meet Gamani. When they hear the Gamani's message, or when they read the message, they are very humbled. They realize that their youngest brother is a noble and a pure heart man. Pious means pure heart man. So they decide, they go to the capital to meet their brother. Vikram, we accept you as a king, Gamani. Vikram said that, we accept you as a king, Gamani. Virat, we will give you a full support. Virat also said that we will give you a full support. After hearing the statement of Vikram and Virat, Gamani became emotionally and he said, my dear brothers, what more can I ask for? Can I request you to stay in the palace and guide me as my ministers? After hearing that, they are telling, one brother is telling that I accept you as a king. Second one is telling that we will support you. So he said that what is more important than you, that thing that you both are with me. But I do a request to stay in my palace and guide me as my ministers. I need you. Means he needs his brother, both brothers. So he said that I need you to guide me as ministers in my own palace. The narrator again described the scene. The brothers willingly agree. They agree by the statement of Gamani. There is a grand celebration in the palace. Then there is a grand celebration in the palace. The peace and unity of the kingdom has been preserved because the unity of the kingdom and peace preserved. The brothers are treated with respect, kindness, and courtesy. King Gamani invites his wise old teacher to live in the palace with him. He showers his teacher with great love and honor. What he do? He just invites his wise old teacher, because that was only the teacher who gave the suggestion, who gave the way to keep care of the unity of the kingdom and peace of the kingdom. So he showered his teacher with great love and honor. Gamani, I, who am the youngest among three worthy princes, all my success to my wise advice of my great teacher. I also owe the unity and strength of my kingdom to my beloved teacher. I shall always remain grateful to him. So he thanks to his teacher, because that I told you that was the only teacher who showed the way to control the peace and unity of the kingdom. So he thanks his teacher and he respect him again, and he said that I will always grateful to you. So students, our last chapter is also over. Today's homework: learn and write word power in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.